Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you two simple ways to sidechain in FL Studio. So we have here a kick and the pad. When we play them together, it sounds like this. So there's not much going on. However, with this first method, first we're going to route the kick to the pad. Then we're going to decrease the volume here all the way down. Then we're going to load the limiter on the pad. This FL limiter VST has two functions, limit and compressor. We're going to click on compressor and right click on sidechain and select kick. If you didn't route it here correctly, nothing will appear here. Alright, so let's hear how it sounds. Not much going on. However, if we move the threshold down and increase the ratio, see a graphical representation on when the kicks hits, the volume of the pad ducks down. Right, so this is the first method. I'm going to delete the limiter. And I'm going to delete the routing here since we're not going to use it for the second method. Now, for the second method, we're going to put a peak controller on the kick. And we're going to link the volume of the pad in the mixer here to that peak controller. So right click on the volume, click on link to controller, then from here internal controllers drop down menu, select peak controller and make sure to select this option, peak plus LFO. Now it sounds like this. I'll click accept. So this is not the desired effect. So what we're gonna do, right click again here, go again to link to controller, and we're gonna set some parameters here. So we're looking at the mapping formula. You're gonna want to change this to inverted. And this number here, instead of 1, just put 0.8. Now click accept, and let's hear how it sounds. That 0.8 number tells the volume fader not to go all the way down. It goes only 80% of the value. So now if you want to tweak it, you can play with these two options here. You can play with the bass. When you increase the bass, it decreases the volume where the sidechaining starts. Now these were my two methods. In my opinion, the first method is the best one because when it comes to mixing, you don't want this volume to duck down all the time. So let's say you finish a track, you're in the mixing stage, you're in the volume balancing stage, and you want to make small adjustments to the volume of the channel, but you can't if you use this method, the second one, because this fader here is going to go down always. Yeah, so instead just use the first method and you'll have this fader free. Alright, this was my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.